Even in the snowstorm. Look at that. Michelle's a trooper out there for the squirrels. Look at this snow. We just made it back. We were able to go to Kroger, pick up a few things this morning. Barely made it back. I couldn't even get my car up the driveway. But we got the essentials. Hopefully we don't lose power. That's the main thing. Look at this snow. Very rarely do we see it. Look. She just walked and her thing is almost covered. Who's that? Who's that out there? Come on, guys. She's putting it up there. Do you need more? Peanuts?
Yeah, peanuts.
All right, 1 second. Let me bring out some peanuts. I got a little peanuts here. Look at the cats think we're crazy, right? What are you doing with the squirrels, right? All right. All right, I got another bag of peanuts. You want me to throw it to you? Yeah. You want me to throw it to you? She don't hear me. Yeah. Oh, look at this squirrel up there. Look at him. Look at the squirrel in the snowstorm.
Oh my God, I gotta get my gloves. What am I thinking? Go get it, birdie. Oh, this is so thick.
Look at the squirrel in the snowstorm.
Behind you.
I got the peanuts right here.
Okay, but I'm freezing.
Go ahead, go. Go. Squirrel said, thank you. Be nice, guys. Big jump. Oh my goodness. Look at this snow. This is the most snow I've seen. This is the most snow I've seen since 2014, when it shut the whole state down. Alright, wow, look at this stuff. Your footprint's already covered up, look at it.
I know, it's crazy, right?
It is coming down. Wow.
Don't look for them to come over here.
No, I'd be putting it all on the fence.
Yeah, when they find...
I get you a shovel, you can start shoveling. Huh? Get you a shovel? When you get you a shovel, you can start shoveling. They like it. She's just loading you up. More peanuts, yep. The snow's coming down. It's not as cold. It's not that cold. I don't have a jacket on. But that's the perfect, probably about 32 degrees. It's a damp, big, wet snow. Yeah, driving to Kroger was crazy. Coming back. Especially with your wife sitting next to you. Slow down, watch out, watch out. Snow's building up my phone. Look at this snow. Wow. Is that, look at that. It's a winter wonderland.
It's covered up my rocks. Everything's even
queen of squirrels has put out
It's
food.
real
They're all
snow,
coming.
Too. Look, Georgia, we never get real snow.
Is it real snow? Can you pack it?
Let me see.
Or is it like the styrofoam? People saying it's been like styrofoam.
Yeah, it does. But look at that. I had to make a snowman.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
softer than the snow we usually
People,
get.
people have
We usually
shown,
get
I've
wet,
seen some of them on
soggy,
TikTok where they say it's like styrofoam. Even
Yeah.
the snow looks like it's
But it's dry.
poison.
It's not. It's usually wet and
Yeah.
mushy.
Here's
Oh, that's
squirrelies.
cool. Now I can relax. Get your button. Oh, look at these big flakes.
I know, they're huge.
Oh my god.
Just a squirrel in a snowstorm.
Wow, this is beautiful out here.
It is, isn't it?
Like postcard.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm getting some good videos with these squirrels eating.
Roof looking like, yeah.
Go get you one.
Oh, y'all shaking the good. Keep shaking the snow off the tree for us.
Big jump. He's out to sit up here on a tree.
Good morning. I know, Mama. Oh, come on, get you something. Come on, get you something. Come on. It's okay. I know. It's just pretty rain. She don't know what to do. She's sitting on the branch with a tail over her.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, get something.
Squirrels. They would imagine they don't see snow much either.
Come on, get it.
Looks like they're having a good time in it, chasing each other.
I can't believe how thick this is.
Crazy.
And look at the bird bath. It's got a couple of inches on it.
Yeah, well, it said 6 to 7 inches on my weather thing. It
Serious?
said 6 to 7 inches. So this is
Oh
going to
my
shut
God.
down the whole state of Georgia
Oh, it
for
will.
sure. For a few days,
That woman's
at the
gonna
very
win
least.
at Kroger this weekend. Go get it, baby. You didn't get one? Come on. Come on. Come here,
Hey,
baby. Where
be
you
nice,
at?
guys.
Come on. It's going to fall in the snow.
I got to get a jacket on. I got to get a jacket.